What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you a quick scalp trade that took less than a minute and also discuss some other possible trading setups. So let's get started. So I scanned for the pre-market gappers and the first stock is BEKE. It is up more than 7% pre-market and is likely to go even higher. The stock price raised 3 days in a row, you can see on the daily chart, and still looks very bullish to me, but I will not take a position on the first minute of the trading session, okay, and we'll just have a look what it wants to do. And just wow, take a look at this move. I completely missed the opportunity, but I couldn't take the first minute of the trade, and it continues to go up. There is nothing left to do. We just missed it. It could be very risky to get in at this point when the price amplitude is so high. Once you enter, it just can continue even higher or completely reverse and go against you. So let's look for other possible trades. The next candidate is OPEN. It was up pre-market about 18% and now it wants to go even higher. The daily chart and the 15 minutes chart are very bullish, and we're also trading out of the support level. So I'm entering the trade. So I'm buying 1,000 shares and we'll wait for it to go higher. While we're waiting, it's a great time to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And the price is reaching my profit level and I'm out of the trade for the quick scalp of $300. Pretty good for 25 seconds trade. So the price is at the resistance level now, and it can move down, so I will look for other opportunities. Let's go back to BEKE and have a look how it played out. You can see from the moment we left the stock, it just went down, and it was a great idea not to enter the trade on the long side. It would be chasing the price and I could lose a lot of money on this trade. Let's look at other stocks. The next one is DIDI. And it looks a bit bearish for me. On the daily chart you can see a triple top. There is a resistance level that it fails to break out. There is a good chance it will reverse and go down from here. I'm very curious about the BEKE, how it played out, and it looks like it didn't decide yet what to do. Let's have a look at the Lucid Motors, LCID. And for me it looks all over the place. I'm not sure what it wants to do. It looks like it pulled down twice and immediately went back up. It shows us that there is a buying pressure, but I don't like this big moves. It's very unpredictable. Looks like it wants to go higher, but it might also fall down with the same amplitude. Very nice move. And even some more. Take a look at the resistance level. Just reached it on the 15 minutes chart. Let's see what else is out there. AFRM might be another great setup. It went up pre-market and now it's falling down, but we kind of missed the entry. It would be great to enter to short the stock at about 162, but it's too late for us now. LCID is still fighting and it touches the resistance level. In order to understand the next move, we need to wait for another candle or two just to see what it wants to do. DIDI, just as I predicted, couldn't break the resistance. It tried to break out multiple times during the day. You can see on a 15-minute chart. but it's okay. I didn't take this trade. Sometimes you just have to wait until you feel absolutely sure that this is the right setup for you and it will work most likely. So I guess this is it for today. I'm green. I'm up $300. I'm very happy. Thank you for watching, guys. If it helped you in any way, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.